Hello, and welcome back to day 7 of my daily option selling journal. Sorry for my video uploading a bit late today. It's 9 p.m., but I have just gotten free from the work I was doing. But today's market, it was interesting to be honest. It opened a really big gap up, not really big, but a mid-sized gap up. And as soon as it gapped up, it just kept moving up and up. And I marked my daily range, which has been marked in front of you, these two red lines. The market kind of tried to stay in the range, but it could not, because you see, it tried to break through, it came back down, it respected this range with this candle. As you can see, it fell all the way down, it touched yesterday's low, it again tried to come back up, but it couldn't sustain inside of the range. It was always respecting the lower band of this range. As you can see, 24,370, it couldn't close a single candle above it. And in today's video, I will be also telling you how to put a SL and how to adjust your option selling positions in the end of the video. So first of all, let me start off with today's straddle chart. Today's straddle opened at 171, made a high of 194, and after that it kept falling and falling and falling. Today the expiry was also of Sensex. It wasn't really moving a lot, but because, how do I say this, it wasn't moving a lot on the index. Like, the index wasn't moving a lot, but the futures were moving a lot, which caused the options to fluctuate a lot. And as an option seller in Sensex, you couldn't have made a lot of money today, but in Nifty you could have definitely made a lot of money today, because the only movement today was before 10 a.m. and after 10 a.m. the market completely went sideways. And for my today's positions, I made 1%, 1.25, I don't know, I can't remember, but around 1% profit, which is respectable. And with hedges, I will also tell you how much I made with the hedges. But uh, yeah, today's market wasn't really special. The movement was only before 10 a.m. and after that it was only sideways. So, and for my today's positions, there are, here you go. This is my today's position on your screen right now. And if I used hedges today, this would have been a position today. Here it is on your screen right now. So yeah, in both of the cases, I would have made money. And I have updated today's Excel sheet, and here you go. This is my today's Excel sheet. Made 2,300. Entry at 9:19 a.m. Exit at 3 p.m. I made no adjustment today because I didn't require an adjustment. I paid a brokerage of 80, and in total, in 1 week and 2 days, 13,000 is my total profit after accounting for all the taxes and charges. By using 3 lakhs, it's not exactly always 3 lakhs, it's 2.7 lakhs, but with hedges you can get it down to 90,000, 90k per lot. So yeah, and that's it. Now let me just show you how to put a SL and how to adjust your position. Okay, so let's suppose you made a straddle of price. Let's say the call option was of 100 rupees and the put option was also of 100 rupees. So in total, 200 points premium. So in total, 200 rupees of short premium. Now, for your SL, it's always 25% of your premium. So if the call option moved up from 100 rupees to 125 rupees, you would book your loss and you would exit. You would only exit your call position. And because of this, the only position you would have running is the put position. So yeah, and you do this until you think the market is gonna reverse. If you think that, oh, the market is gonna reverse, it's no longer gonna go up, then you again re-enter in a short call position or a straddle position. So it's really simple. You just put a SL of 25%. This is the entire thing. And for the adjustments, it's the exact same. You don't adjust until you feel like it's necessary. You're like, oh, let me show you with a real example. For example, here, as you can see, the market gapped up, it kept moving down and down and down. This would have hit my put option SL, and my only position running then would be my call option that would have made money. But when you feel like, oh, the market's gonna reverse like over here, you enter back in with another straddle over here, and it would have worked out well because the market kind of made the bottom here, and it went down. No doubt it went down, but it also came back up and just closed where it was. So yeah, so the SL is really simple. It's just 25% of the premium. And I think that's all I have to tell you today. I'll make a proper detailed video again tomorrow. So yeah. Oh yeah, analysis for tomorrow. Analysis for tomorrow. It would be, as you can see, the market closed inside of the range. So 24,400, 24,400 to 24,300. This would be your range. You can make a strangle in this, or if you wanna use a straddle, you can make a straddle of 24,350. So these are two of your trade, and if the market breaks out above this 24,400, you can make a directional option selling position with targets of well, I can't see the targets, so yeah, never mind, forget that. Just do the non-directional selling which I have marked, like 24,400 straddle to 24,300, and a straddle of 24,350, or a straddle of 3. So yeah, I think that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.